I thought it's funny now. Be happy. Forget it.
Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the quiet village, the lion sleeps tonight.
Just like that.
Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling.
Now, seriously, you can't go any higher than that. No way. This one eat the tree, huh? Not a good idea, Kitty. And then we're going to show this to the emergency ward. Yeah, we're going to show this to the emergency ward. Oh my goodness. See your house from there, huh? So I'm the king of the jungle, oh, country VIP. Oh dear, I have to phone the fire department. Oh no, he's eating the tree. The tree's holding him up. Oh, now he's hooked. Oh, the kitty's hooked. Now what's your big plan? I don't know, go up higher or attack the camera. Which one? Oh shit.